Hello friends, it's good to be back. I hope you guys are doing well. Today promised to be exciting. As always, I have awesome information to share with you. 200 Bitcoin ATMs to be installed across all Walmart stores in the US. And of course, algorithm bugs saw Bitcoin price drop as much to $8,200. Imagine if that was real. And of course, Cardano set to enter the Babbage Era. Babbages. Alright friends, and of course, Dogecoin adoption in the US is... Do I know? And of course, friends, Associated Press is partnering with Chainlink to use their blockchain to have a cryptographically verified data. And of course, friends, SRP news. You can't afford to miss this one. And of course, friends, NFTs, our NFT. Alright, and of course, all other altcoin news. My name is Clinton Onos with Market Salam. As always, Market Salam is here to help you make sense of your trading and investing. If this is the first time you've seen this channel, use the subscribe button down below. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to get all important information. And before we go to the news, my friends, nothing you will find is a financial advice. Right? Now we are on the same page. Let's zoom in. Okay, friends, we're here. What can I say? Bitcoin dominance has dropped compared to yesterday. And of course, BTC is down by 4.05% approximately. And of course, BTC is at 63K, right? Approximately. And of course, Ethereum is 4,134 approximately. It's down by 3.6%. Solana is having a fun field day. Solana is at $204. It's up by 7.47%. And of course, DOT is doing the same. DOT is $45. It's up by approximately 2%. Of course, Harvard, VET, and all other altcoins in this category. And of course, either is down, XRP is down, Doge is down, BNB is down, and all other altcoins. Believe before the end of today, we're going to see some pricing data. Okay, friends, let's head on to CoinMarketCap. What does CoinMarketCap ask for us, friends? Today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is 2.61 trillion, a 1.36 decrease over the last year. We are decreasing. All right, friends, Bitcoin has maintained dominance, of course, at number 1, Ethereum, number 2, Binance Coin, number 3, ADA, number 4, and of course, Solana, XRP, Polkadot, Dogecoin, number 9, of course, Luna, in terms of coin, number 11. All right, friends, and on the gainers table in the last 24 hours, we have Chain gained 21.04%, and of course Solana 9.97% approximately. Nizo of course is following by 8%. VeChain of course 6.89%, and of course all other altcoins are following suit, not performing badly. All right, friends, and of course on the losers table we have ZDC network is down by 4.55%. Hazy Infinity is down by 4.46%. Elon is down by 4.43%. Litecoin is down by 4.21%. Of course, Shiba is down by 3.98%. All right, friends, let's not waste much time. What's on the news? 200 Bitcoin ATMs installed at Walmart with plans for 8,000 in total. Interesting. Let's see the information here. Walmart has partnered with coin cashing machine company Coinstar, and crypto cash exchange CoinMe to install 200 Bitcoin ATMs in each store across the US. Although the pilot includes only 200 kiosks, the broader launch plans to eventually see the installation of 8,000 Bitcoin ATMs across the country, according to Bloomberg. There has been no further details on timeline as of yet. Chief Strategy Officer and Head of Research at BitHolder Sam Doctor told Bloomberg that while Bitcoin ATMs are not a new development and can already be found at many supermarkets, Walmart expand Bitcoin access to more people, though, and give it further legitimacy among skeptics should they roll it out beyond an initial pilot. Who knows? What's next? Algorithm bug crashes Bitcoin to 8,200 on Binance.us. Imagine if that was a real life situation, my friends. Alright, first info here, friends. A bug on the Binance.us exchange saw the price of Bitcoin flash crash to approximately 8,200. The issue appears to be resolved, but highlights the issue that can sometimes occur on cryptocurrency exchanges. The price of Bitcoin crashes by 87% on Binance.us, the US arm of the exchange, due to an algorithm bug, Binance confirmed. The incident lasted only a short while and it was limited to the particular exchange. The asset dropped to 8,200 level from its near all-time high price of $65. Of course, yeah, easy chat, my friends. Oops. What's next? Cardano set to enter the Babbage Era after Alonso HTF milestone. Interesting. Babbage Era. Alright, friends, let's see what's here. Cardano successfully deployed the Alonso hard fork combinator over a month ago, which has no doubt been one of the most important upgrades to happen on the network. Alonso HFC brought with a smart contract capabilities on the network, and with this came decentralized finance DeFi services to the ecosystem. Developers could now develop and deploy decentralized application they apps on the Cardano blockchain. Interesting. The next big step. Kelvin Hammond, software engineer at Input Output, gave an update on what the developer was working on next. Hammond revealed that IOHK was moving into what they referred to as Babbage Era. This phase, which is named after Charles Babbage, the mathematician credited as the father of the computer, is meant to smooth out any wrinkles that may be left over after Alonso. Interesting one there. Congratulations to Cardano. Alright, friends, what's next? Dogecoin adoption in the US supersedes Bitcoin and Ethereum, according to new crypto survey. Alright, let's see what's here. The adoption rate of Dogecoin Doge in the US is nearly double that of the rest of the world, according to a new survey from the Australian publication Finder. The survey polled 41,645 individuals in 22 countries and found that nearly a third of all cryptocurrency holders in the US own Dogecoin. Interesting stats there. Of course, those that own crypto, Dogecoin sees its highest adoption in the United States, with 30.6% of crypto owners saying they own Dogecoin. This is 1.6 times the global average adoption rate of 19.2%. Interesting one there. All right, my friends, let's move on. Associated Press plans to launch Chainlink node to publish data. Let's see what's here. The news agency added that it would be open to shifting its approach based on the response from developers, as it kept a finger on the pulse of blockchain economy. All right. The Associated Press news agency announced it will be launching its own Chainlink Oracle node to ensure any data from its US newspaper and broadcaster members would be cryptographically verified. In an October 21 announcement, the Associated Press, or AP, said smart contract developers would have access to the agency's economic, sports, and race score data once the node was operational. According to the AP, it will be publishing data on-chain for developers to access and reference in any relevant application, in addition to providing information on upcoming elections and serving artists working with non-fundable token. Interesting one for Chainlink there. Congratulations, Chainlink. And of course, friends, what's next? Court orders SEC to answer Ripple's interrogatories. Interesting. Magistrate Judge Sarah Netbone has ordered the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to answer some of Ripple's hotly contested interrogatories, which are meant to determine whether or not the plaintiff's contentions can be supported by facts. The agency will have to specify why the company's XRP says are investment contracts. The SEC's legal theory is not an excuse to avoid responding to defendants' actual inquiry, nor is it a basis to answer a different question than posed. In addition, the SEC will have to state whether it believes that Ripple's efforts were key to boosting the price of XRP. However, Ripple's interrogatory about whether or not the XRP ledger was fully functional prior to the start of the securities offering has been denied for being too vague. The court agrees that this interrogatory seeks relevant information, but defendant's interrogatory is too vague for the reasons identified by the SEC. Alright, friends, it's NFC again. What's next? 17% of addresses snapped up 80% of all Ethereum NFTs since April. Interesting there. According to research from Moonstream, the top 16.71% of all NFT holders on Ethereum owned 80.98% of NFTs between April 1 and September 25th. Open source blockchain analytics firm Moonstream published a report which found that around 70% of addresses control more than 80% of all NFTs on Ethereum. The report found that Waze NFT platform and exchanges, which comprise the top 16.71% of all addresses, own 80.98% of NFTs on Ethereum. The remaining 83.29% of NFT owners were only being able to snap up a handful of tokens during that time frame. The later statistic does require a little more nuance in its interpretation. However, as many of these owners are marketplaces and clearinghouses like OpenSea, Nifty Gateway, and other platform of Fame Inc., Moonstream said. Alright, my friends, that's the much we can take today. We appreciate your time. Thank you so much. And of course, before you sign off, use the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to get all important information. We can't wait to have you on board. You are important and valuable to us. See you again. Bye for now.